Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Wanjiku, Salama. So today is on a Monday and I want to do some cleanings, but it's raining outside. It's that time of them. Yeah, when it starts raining, let me just show you. Just see. I know it's not okay here. Much better. It's raining, but that won't stop me from doing my cleanings. Obviously, nimechota maji ya mvua. I'm so happy by that because sitaenda kwa kisima ama sitanunua maji, so but maji yenye nitanunua ni ya kukunywa na ya kupikia peke yake. So anyway, hope mko salama. Please do subscribe, watch the ads, don't forget to comment, like this video, okay? So green light yangu imeharibika, so I'll just show you a little bit of the things I'm doing, but nikinunua ring light nyingine we'll go back to the way it was, okay? This is my normal routine. Like when it comes to cleaning, I have to change my bed sheet, my pillowcase, my sitting area. It's clean because shinda huku home. Then I also want to clean my kitchen. I'm getting a new set of plates, cups, and a flask. I'll show you guys in this vlog. Yeah, so let's start by making my breakfast, then we'll talk later. Good morning, loves. It's the next day. Jana sikuonyesha everything, but yeah, nilimaliza kuosha nguo. The house was clean. It's still clean. Arrange tu vitu hapa na pale, and then also make sure nje tuko kusafi. So today the weather is so good. Yesterday I was supposed to pick a package, my utensil set, like si mob ni sani sita, vikombe sita, and a flask. And tell me why I told this girl like on a Sunday nitumaniishie vitu on a Monday. Even though yes, it was raining asubuhi, but from saa sita hapo saa saba I think the weather was just okay. So ikaekwa to the wrong car. That matatu passes through Kawangware instead of where I'm living. So yeah, but anyway, so right now I'm just having breakfast. Nangoje mtu anipikie and then I have to. So yeah, as I was saying, that place is so far away from where I'm living and I'm really disappointed. I can't lie to you that I'm disappointed. The fact that nilikuwa nimeshaitisha like the day before, nikamwambia I'll be available, so itumanishwe mapema, then ikakuja late. Anyway, so yeah, at 2,570 subscribe guy. I can thank you guys for the love and support. I don't take it for granted. Please do watch the ads. I emphasize on watching the ads. At least hapo ndo nipate something, you know, tuhame kwa single room tuingie kwa bedsitter. Don't you want to see your girl growing? Ama mnataka tu nikae hapa. Nisaidieni in this one, okay? But anyway, thank you so much for the love and support. So right now I'm just taking my tea and mandazi. Then we'll meet while nikiende. I'll talk to you guys nikiende your package. So guys, my package is here. Nimetoka kuichukua mbali. Like, hi. Even though I'm not good at directions, place yenye nilikuwa nimesema iwekwe kwa gari za huku si za huku totally. So anyway, nimechukua, let's unbox it together. Sina ring light, so guys just bear with me. But yeah, I had requested for a flask na vikombe and also masani, so acha tutoe one by one. So actually, even if I'm mad, I'm kind of happy because the packaging at least really protected them. The fact that zimelala huko, they don't know where. So yeah, here's the flask, vikombe, and my plates. So let's remove the flask. I need to buy a ring light. So I requested for color black. It's here. Tin. So here are the plates. There are 6 of them. I'm so happy. And also my cups, ziko sita. You see, 2 times 3 sita, and then the flask. Whew. Hey bo, hey bo, hey bo. I'm so happy. Hey guys, so nimerudi home. I've shown you what I wanted to pick ile package. So that's it. Actually, let me explain. Ilikuwa chama. Yeah, like I'll advise anyone if you're moving out or if you're starting to live alone. Me, vitu mo by there, I'm able to get because of chamas, either pesa ama generally the items. Okay, so yeah, I just pray and hope you'll invest in good chamas zenye zita kumesa up, cause kuna chamas zenye umess watu. Anyway, right now I want to go to Kawangware. Nataka kununua pants and jiko, guys. Yeah, I feel like I need them because I also want to start to cook. Like nataka kuzoea kupika in my own house. The other thing I also want to do is to look for a tote bag yenye nitakuwa nabebea kitabu, because I'm going back to school, guys. Like, no, that's cool, but I'm just going back for computer lessons, the basic skill ile tu ya juju. I'm not going to like dive deep into it. So nimeambiwa like if I start this week, by December huko nitakuwa nimemalizana. I know it usually runs for like 3 months, but it may agree nitakuwa classes for 2 good hours. And another thing is that the basic ones, okay, just to like do some basic things on computer. Unajua at least ile yenye unaweza eka mahali ka secretary. Yeah. Anyway, so let's go to I won't be able to vlog because nimeshindwa kuvlog hadi nikitoka Kawangware, so forgive me, but I'll talk to you guys when I'm back home. Hey guys, so I came back home. Nilienda nikachukua jiko. Tell me why pan ni expensive. Yeah? 9 something. Ndio hii hapa. So the jiko nimebuy na 300. So right now I'm trying to make tea. So na boil this tea. I'm just warming it up. Ndio nikunywe before nianze kupika. Then maji niliweka hapa kwa hii flask, maji warm. Niliambiwa niweke hata si warm, moto. So the other thing is that I want to arrange this closet. Ebu yoneni venye nakaa so embarrassing, because tomorrow I'll be starting my class. So nataka kuiarrange sahi before nilale. Sitaki kushinda nimeingia online. So I want to keep myself busy. Nizitoe zote niweke kwa bed. Then nizi arrange aside. Yeah, I also want to prepare rice. That's it, guys. So let me do that. So guys, this is the mess that I've already created. Nani saa 4. Tomorrow I have to wake up early. So over here, nimepanguza by the way before returning these things. So hii nataka ikishikilia nguo zangu acha hadi niweke hivyo. I always put this one. Ndio naekelea hapa tops. Hapa hadi nitatafuta moja, then over here nitatafuta kitu ya kuwekelea. Hapa chini nimesha arrange. Hizo ni donuts zangu nimewekelea hapo. And also pegs zangu na brush, sabuni ya kuoga huko, sabuni nyingine kwa hapa. Yeah. Hadi kuna ya kufua huko. So this is where I always put the things that I'm not using that much huko chini. So yeah. So let me start arranging all this. So love, unfortunately I didn't continue vlogging from here. I just kuonyesha the results, but you'll see on the next video. The thing is that I found myself sleeping, like nearly after I was done folding niliamua tu nilale, and I was so tired. The next day I woke up very late going to school, so I didn't manage to vlog anything, and I decided let me just end the video over here. So just continue on the next one. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and let's meet on the next vlog. Okay, I hope the other one will be very detailed. This one was all over the place, but I hope the other one will just be very detailed, and I'm also hoping to get a ring light. So yeah, but thank you guys for the love and support. Don't forget to subscribe once again. Watch the ads. Aki hapo kwa ads muache tu zicheze please. Okay, but anyway, I love you. Thank you.